Ebusan for Ahaye GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba, Ahade, latest and hot news, Enkwa, Eramede, Bremo. Enuti, se we subscribe ya, Bomodia say, over subscribe to channel. The other say, over click a subscribe button. Now, a belly notification, or any new video be uploaded. When the first person I was Ebeka ASR video, I feel we are now like if you like the video and give us a thumbs up, now feel share my offer so now when you be here. Now who and some aircoso, Ewagana Memohanum. I feel ye bura ye and some ababeto yapnoso. Yinti a yes, some Kumoya aircos in some aircos yinti. The performance of another Kwaku Annan was a best man. It was bad, it was symbolic. I don't know how it's never qualified. Okay, what can I say? Me say if I video.
Bafo ko to ni din way. Na tuma say more than one tier. Ka come by. Bafo ko to one tea party noa NLM. And about United Party, and about Progress, and about United Party, and about Progress Party, and about PFP. PFP no kwedu says there, and now the pass and for some tino. Vitosu, our Asante as president. Akufo Addo ni ofa William Oforiata. I said they are here home yempre Asante ni yeso. And to mo join UNC. No kwa no Akufo Addo no. NPP no waka ho. Wudi mo wasan ko. Na for be pay die mu na yese mako e na ode be hye santeman ani yade no pese yanyade fi se yanya dwonko bia ba bia no ye dwane akosen ho yade e fi yade ni nya hospital ni na no wa se ni na ntibe de Mahama pa ne bebo ama no na ye danyame aseso e de ma no na Mahama ma menim de nkakuma se man anara santeman tete ye fabrem ye wo MPP parliamentarians be say aduanan son obia ni ho a wo ka bi e ma santeman se bia hospital yensi fafare yenye sawia yenye kumawu yenye bakwa yenye tepa yenye na se santeman Nwa humobro wura anya badaye ankase nabi me man ensei me ma yade enokro me man wa bra yade enya babi nkura wonuara se bi eburu oyi ni sika dollar ahanum million 5 million na osese ne nananom wo mo e wa ma no ne anyway wo ha ina se yemwa na say intimate hospital no agenda 111 ho ne faso ne say na stress kan ti yi bi display e kompono chi akenya yi ti be de edenyame ase e ma Mahama se nyame ati ni sufre na nyina so ya ta na chire na asante man enso ya to atia no ama wono ano Akufo Addo no se so paya se so paya se mo a wono amfa no konkomo so amfa nko
Akufo Addo performance ayo form Asante man temo ne ko mu video and so me ka fa Akufo Addo no oh la sisi said that me catch you say na the don ko Akufo Addo e dey alan Kojo Kyeremanteng ne ho I saw a lot of people hunting on the man saying a lot of abusive words to the man. Me catch a man for say you don't know the history of the NPP. The NPP is never a final destination for everybody podcast career. That's what I make it. Me, before say NPP bano, it be my a whole lot of stuff. Party at UGCM, a whole lot. They arrive at the new patriotic party. But that's what I make it. It doesn't mean say NPP and it should be the final destination to someone's political career. It's never ever true. Hopeson Adorye. Now, man for so high, and Alan etc. Alan person good party no into what no. They should go and ask. Now they don't call Akufo Addo. What no for NPP mupen, and that's one train order.
I saw no final TV power report say ANC something say the UNC yeah.
They deprive someone of becoming a head of state.
That is Victor Owusu then.
Thank you. That decision
in 1979.
That decision that they took. It made that party unpopular.
Yeah.
And they couldn't almost let Mama because thank you anyway. And it's an Kojo Kyeremanteng one. I see nothing wrong with it. They are tossing you. Who say that they Bama him for Nekasa? Who's ever? Am I him for Nekasa? Now, what saying that no one some more can? They are totally disappointed in the NPP government, not the NPP government alone. Highly disappointed and another don't Akufo Addo.
Was in Anado. The onset now, why I saw pass Asante Forson. And into no offer, a take power with Emma Victor Ama the president.
Thank you.
And I know what you was a party in so. NLM Asante and watching the giant Nino to trade ya. At the man, a sham Bafo to say. One could trade was so soon. Non wanted national liberation movement. Almost Adidas and Omoba Akufo Addo.
Thank you.
Chado watching a moon.
Then we catch your say. Almost another now Akufo Addo was a radical CPP member. Just what I make a joke. I didn't say it. Papa, your friend say, oh, what I could piece of it. Baby, Kwasi Pratt. Was he was a radical CPP member. To one, he wasn't a true and me. Nipan woman person bonity. Or Kasas will catch a Nipan was close to Buzia. Or catch Akufo was never an NPP person.
There be omuchi. So here Akufo on your funded members. There be funded party. Na me you. Omuchi. So no man the born. Atro
was say he was a radical CPP member. When there was a coup d'etat and they were looking for people to deal with, Akufo Addo was on their list. Akufo Addo, he was on their list. And he said, oh, had their hands for Kenya. A just abana a 2 year. And yet electors didn't want to take a decision. But there was an influence and a hand of God and power somewhere. And also I'm more MP.
There's a polling station in Mansha Palace. Mansha Palace 1. There was a polling station 1. How they be at a king or then a year and a queen at Womaba. And as a senior general of Asha from the Bami report when a king is voting now. Any poor more to about 377. By 12 noon, a hour in Betronava. Or any Babani Pabese. Be a 200, be a 300 of Golomato. And hold on, I am for no to about, I am for do one, I want to about her. I did not say my by a tapukumu or 2 for the chamber and a night you know one of Tomaba. Now, in this time, Asante Bediatuo Babra Nabo 12. No Nipa 156 and Abato. Asante Bediatuo 157. Nayere Lady Julia Bediatuo 158. And we are Asante Bediatuo 159. And time for the Mama some of the little that Mama Twaba. And you to say, Nanado staff governor say, ye Asante for say, and another way, I don't want to use the word say be bad. But another one was smart. Or share that ma Asante for key ministerial position. But development and me from what I say. Then there's a catcher. But dear hot door, don't say so. But development was a problem over here. Also, I kind of what I just say. I dictate or I direct where development should go.
Yeah, he said it. I wasn't under duress. Or not a pen or pesoka. Until Kura catcher and say, your trouble 2016 or TV3. Then a man forecast the coming in Libra to Abano, it's your mamma. Now the Obano so ABS are the coming in Libra trouble. Akufo didn't take a clue from it. He didn't take a clue from it. Train some of him for Neka. Now, when some more can, a serious, extremely dangerous. Train some more can. As a person per se who say, oh, where the friend another damn Akufo never any assent, my own is animal. They even use Confanoche as agenda 111. Or me can once say, Bianca says, Caribbean agenda 111. And our channel be called Confanoche and Kahotimi a Kama. A whole lot of issues that is
Afenyo Hospital. Because Afenyo Hospital, it was born from this fact. Normally, a doctor for a cost strike and idea. With a military deal, 37 or and he may sit Afenyo Hospital. But frankly, we had an Ato so star of life now. They should bring an Ato for NPP defeat. Franco, ye Baba Twaba. Regina Unya voice free. None an Ato. Ababe commission, say be any hospital getting kitty. I know call back. I call commission flower pot interchange. No Asaba Ababe commission at a far bridge. No Asako commission spring text interchange. And that's Obichi interchange. And the man for command because of Kubukaza. So you are in command, you are happy, you are posting and say they've commissioned an interchange in Accra and commissioned a bridge in Kumasi, and you are in Kumasi and you are happy posting it.
Say Akufo Addo. there be a nipa who 2 MPP for no for monfa. Name to a monfa ne say. There be a mechanical security a compare Kwaku Annan say you put them the free. But there are a lot of votes who feel. You consolidate that area, you protect that area, you bring a lot of goodies over there. And another damn Akufo Addo, go to a greater Accra. Omunya interchange, Omunya bear 5 or 6. Yeah, bear 5 or 6. But be among a lot of votes, you push you. Ahmad made it South region, it will be cancelled by 8 regions. I bet him they eventually become the president of the land. A one crown Mamu interchange. Mahamadu Bawumia statement na o making was say or catch them or kind 2 force. One was saying Kofu Annan trouble minimum. The autonomy was say or Mona or the leader of the party. It is never ever true. Mahamadu Bawumia is never the leader of the NPP today. And are you kidding? Kidding like what? Then Mahamadu Bawumia doesn't know the constitution of the NPP. Maybe because they gave him a waiver and it was earlier that they brought him into the party. And they wanted the constitution of the NPP. I say, I'm telling you, he's not the leader of the party. He's not the leader of the NPP. Currently, he's not the leader of the party. Now the leader of the NPP now is Stephen Tim. Or no more the leader of the party. Never ever leader of the party. It is lead that. It is never ever true. Never ever true. We are doing the constitution of the New Patriotic Party. Anytime the party is in opposition, or more opposition, the leader of the party is the party chairman. Likewise, the NDC so. So NDC when the NTR of a swamp for and I said John Mama still wanted to say so he was the leader of the party. No, so Debbie. Our constitution. You can be more popular in the party, but you're not the leader of the party. The chairman is the leader. The chairman is the leader. Another no can say. Who is the presidential candidate of the NPP? We don't have a president. Thank you. We don't have. We have the former presidential candidate. We have a former. I'm not saying try to explain myself. Who is the presidential candidate of the NPP? We don't have a president. We don't have. So if you don't have, you have to revert it back to the original owners. Original owners. Chairman, the national chairman, and then the leader of the New Patriotic Party.
Tibide Edenyamia say, Emma Mahama, Edenyamia T Nisufre, Nina Suya Tanachri, Asante Mine, as we are 2 Atiano, Amma, one. Akufo Addo no say also pay yourself so pay yourself more or no amfan kon more so amfan ko
na the don ko Akufo Addo e alan Kojo Kyeremanteng ho I saw a lot of people hunting on the man saying a lot of abusive words to the man. Me catch a man for say you don't know the history of the NPP. The NPP is never a final destination for everybody podcast career. Maybe Kwesi Pratt. He was a radical CPP member. Or catch him Akufo Addo was never an NPP person. Akufo Addo he was on their list and he said just a banner and yet electors in taking decision. But there was an influence and a hand of God and power somewhere. And also I'm more MP. Now the staff governor say ye Asante Bediatuo say and another way. I don't want to use the word say be bad. But another was smart. Or share that ma Asante for key ministerial position by development and me say do say last rally adia tia no bia gina home the flow de near Kwaku Twaba the last rally Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe na running mate of vice presidential candidate to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia of the NPP wato Kufo Kasai Kennedy Agyapong be Kasai amanfo do na be Kasai leader de be bi dia sanyina wo na poyama na kwama na nkasa.
If we come together, the party will win. At this stage, we're looking to build the party again. It's not about individual ambition. Once the party is ready, we'll go for the main event.
Mahama is the president-elect. What about the book center of his Sumunsi? Mahama Baba don't see a man. Me a Kwaku Annan said today, but to a barman. What do you want Mahama to see? The man said, no go. And then the time I saw on the bed, or being one baby, better know of this. I never could find what good party with our con. Son of Biason finding it. I don't feel like I did do a medical culture, but say at 37%. They will be going after you people. Yes, we also go after them. Like this, say okay. The way Bawumia for they are trying to lace their boot, and they know Kennedy Agyapong is now a contender, a competitor, and more reference Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Can they lace their boot? Can they lace their boot upon this historic defeat? And yet, Massa, they are not looking at historic defeat. Me say, you guys should prepare yourself. But we have no business in contesting the 2028 election. And now, how is he going to convince the NPP delegates? Say he took the party from power to opposition with this humiliation. How is it? Can he even go and meet the delegates? I had the opportunity of meeting one big man in the New Patriotic Party. And Shaibu, and someone more catch them in Noran. Nipano, Ola Nana Junior man also say, so no, can you see? And I, Ola Yanko Pombe, be I was a kum, and
But be me ko na it wasn't in my plans. So me ko. And no one me call from obi. So I remember me nim ko obi. Ti me ko ya na me copy nkomo no so. And to a point, Solid TV was part of the conversation.
That means they cannot underestimate Solid TV.
And a Solid TV before, Japan show much in at the end, we will come after them.
Bawumia showing to make you. We will cry misinforming the public.
We will cry them, Mr. Anoman. For Casano, we be what are you saying? You put our customer. Integra member, wow. One we 80. Any parents say, and if I go tell them with a friend, as an idea man also, and I was reply and say, then they should cite themselves because it is going to be more than all die be die. We are going to attack issues, not personalities. Yeah, you
know, say they will not live to even see that day.
So no, Casari had a David, Casari, and see who has a
can you make a Casapana show?
Be a fine, maybe our contest there by fire.
The same say, Mahama will go after them. Majority of Bawumia will be arrested even before 2026. And it's almost free, say, or more chain, say, I say, Ubi. I know, when I saw the bar. I know, sit me top on qua. What is upon Quana? No matter about so. Was I here one only to go upon Coban? No chicken seen about a bone. Aside you poor mobile. They will not even live to see that day. You say, Mama will arrest them. I was so surprised. When you say, Oman prepare, say they will go home like this. So they don't have an exit plan.
I was so surprised to the point. And somebody pay. When you pay, would you know what you are not to
But Frank, when you say, it's Sammy, my near man or more. See, Uncle Bawumia. All the Bawumia Sika, some of them are the president. 250 billion from the Ashanti region. All the 5 million Ghana cities, 250 billion old Ghana cities. The Ashanti region. Some of among this president constituency. What is Cano? Then you are saying that some of them are Bawumia and now communicated the Kwaku Annan and tell you about that. But Williams are there way. The last resort, they said, you organize a June former with VIP bus, young Bawumia fee in solidarity and catch a Bawumia say. You bet 2028. You support in Tibra. Now you inform me about are they delegates? They are not delegates. Somewhere. Therefore, the plan is said Bawumia money yes and a bomb woman. Someone disappointed.
Oh, Lassity. Let me tell you. It will come to me as a surprise if I see Bawumia contested.
So integrity.
Me if he's contesting, it will come to me as a right or surprise. Me ma who say o ka say be say NPP for be Kojo Kyeremanteng.
What about Bawumia? Kojo former. Do you know what you former catch on? What say Asame a Okasi enko Chesengo to support Bawumia. We are going to bring this unity in the NPP because him say Morocco first contest. But apart from no, some money of say catch Bawumia say 20 year chair by 2 man. Mahama is the president elect. What about the book center of his see? Mahama Baba don't see a man. Near Kwaku Bawumia said 20 days, but 2 Bamana. What do you want Mahama to see us? The man said, no good. Maybe of course last week Tuesday, it was scheduled on the commands of Monko. And I'm manager. Maybe of course we I see, say people around Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is not helping him. No, as about me is indecisive for me. You prefer you
was it? None will be up with us. No, me tell me, I can't win Organo. I don't know.
Or say, you want to be like Getrude Torkornoo. What's a Bawumia? Oh, 1 minute on pay. And that's what I be. And then Panani. Nippon, my office, was it? Or my office. The second coming of Gaby. Me say, Nippon and Niabin or better Bawumia, so and why I saw the cut of Bawumia will be a person of Bawumia or Panano. I know, person said Getrude Torkornoo, the Prime Minister of Ghana, and I said, away. And then Getrude Torkornoo away. The time I saw on baby, or being one in baby, said a name of Fanny, said a Akufo Addo, what good part of Agyarko. Son of Biason Faringa. Son of Biason Faringa. And if you look at Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, he should be extremely careful the kind of people he has aligned himself with. My videos,
Say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia or I say, or Maka Costa na man for the support to man me. I said to say Obeu and Abibiato. If in a soulful moment, now somebody moved in command, but it should end somewhere.
But frankly, what you've been a former TESCOM communication director from Agyarko in 96, about to Nanadu in 2008, 2012.
Yes.
When was the last time a presidential kind of new party coalition lose here? After the CEO organized region by region, come Kwaku Annan as in the field, is he going to run a power government? I said, no, the opportunity.
I look at the new patriotic party and I laugh. A section of some leaders, how they are conducting themselves, I have issues with it. And basically, highly disappointed in the leadership of the new patriotic party, not coming out to say, Adena Moyen. It's against the constitution of the new patriotic party. And it's against the constitution. And if you are going your own capacity to give me a solidarity message, no problem. But you cannot use the party structure and say, I don't get it. And in I don't know if it is naive or ignorance or a deliberate. And why you making sure some
GFK? Yes, with the party Chiache. Why would GFK allow Bawumia to concede defeat at that early?
What's it?
I don't know. Talk about Bawumia concede defeat, not GFK in the chief.
Maybe. I was your point to say you cannot label the problem to GFK. No, maybe. Mahamadu Bawumia also did the broader consultation with executives. Maybe Council of Elders in paying for before coming out to make this kind of pronouncement at that time. And I'm saying I have issues with it. It showed me that Mahamadu Bawumia is not a politician. Shablas is not a catcher. We say this kind of election is more like going for an army war.
Yeah.
Now, when I really that if you throw in the towel, what are you telling your subordinates? You are just leaving your subordinates in a manner they cannot take decisions for their own self. Now, the catcher say, before some Mahamadu Bawumia, if you look at parliamentary results, we are too close. We are going for recount in this animal. Say, ni parinyama when making this kind of statement. No, not just the NPP was saying the contest.
Yeah.
In 2016, or when a friend John Mama, he lost the election on the 8th of December.
Yeah.
Or Baba Getrude on the 9th of December around 7 o'clock p.m.
Yeah.
Do you know why? No person stress be the now member of parliament to do government business in parliament. I should not be in a rush or in a haste to take a decision.
Yeah.
And people around him help him. And some money bomb most now about 160 now 120 something. And as idea, these are my confirmed member of parliament. Nothing is there. I can go. But if you look at the Mahamadu Bawumia here, and if you go to our win, say he was leading by 14 votes. Mahamadu Bawumia cast said, the military players and the police players have to leave them and go. Because the leader has considered defeat, he has thrown in the towel. Today, I make my go to other areas, the Chiba South. They need build up police station, you ballot box, and the box from the suburban paper structure. Now, as I say, they triggered their two. They are telling about a so power in Kakra. Maybe on the 9th of December, and a Monday, so there's only one mandated body to conduct elections.
Yes.
That's the Electoral Commission. They have the roadmap, the process, the fast. It's not an event. Process is fast with the two aba. What to make us a host of the season and Austin. So we will come early to concede defeat M1. And people around the man, they didn't help me. I mean, Jeff came going free. People around him, what they did, it was fun.
All the executives, I even saw them as the chairman.
Now, are you not surprised to say? Time and Mahamadu Bawumia conceded defeat. Where was the running meet?
I ran meet you.
How was the running meet? Now, wonder your mama to say, or no, your president or Casano, go and check where the running mate and a vice presidential candidate was. I want to ask a very simple question. Nippon have vice presidential candidate. Animal already the Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia.
No way.
Did they seek for his opinion? Did they seek for his input? And what were the kind of answers that he gave them on board? And he said, me no one a question. And I want to tell you one thing. Many videos need be here. Oh, why so? Be a center the I don't have a problem. But you see, the new patriotic party always, I tell you, they are serving a bad president. And now there's going to be a sharpened division in the NPP. There's going to be a sharp front in the NPP. Sharp front in the NPP. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised If you see big men contesting Bawumia, first, some of them say they need to be 2 and answer 3. People are lazy up their book
to contest.
I'm telling you. Somewhere, every woman, the reason why you might not have that privilege, they say you are with one
say I'm aligned to Ken.
And you will be on your banner. They say they see Franco to be a neutral person. Now, the primary family comes at Franco, but show video. You are the only person who is able to criticize your own father.
Yeah.
And tell him that they're not all you have issues with it. Me that be a cat as a kid this one, no, me not buy. They be a canto because 37% no gave him a power to make demands and but I me seem paying for their lazy up their book
to contest Bawumia.
I'm telling you, don't joke with it
because the elephant has fallen.
Shabu, meetings and calls I've received, and that's what be special aid.
They will cover Nankasa.
They tell you, I'm so Franco. Shabu, they so one ma, but who they sell,
bra.
Shabu, don't joke with them. Don't joke with them. This kind of election that the NPP will go for ahead of 2028, early Congress, they should prepare life after early Congress.
But Franco,
yes,
Bawumia, why would he want to contest again?
Almost another down. Okay, it starts from Jericho 4.
Yeah.
Jericho 4 96 one when it.
Yeah.
2000 he captured power.
Yeah.
Akufo Addo in 2008 2012 before 2016 captured power. So they feel and think that Mahamadu Bawumia first and that's one when here. Then they should allow Mahamadu Bawumia to also contest again.
But all the factors they see.
Debbie, if you look at J.A. Kofua, the catch will be 1992. I do why or on post be our boy. I'm telling you.
But people contested it.
J.A. Kofua even contested. Your family be celebrating wine. They contested no winning.
Yeah.
And in 1996, in 94, 95, J.A. Kofua also have to come and win.
Yeah.
So if you look at the NPP, has always been a democratic party when it comes to leadership and then elections. But if you look at this one, they could follow suppress the will of the people. Gyamfi no tonche, Chabula Sisi. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Omamutu for one and Kasa.
Franco, Nanadua or call opposition in 2000. Numbers of the part. First one he was leading,
yes,
and a James course come But Bawumia, you first one, if you good evenly, but also elections, Franco, let's be honest. You are trying to get a election. If the election between Shaibu and Franco, if you want to say Shaibu better also now Ato Forson Franco, but you started Bawumia Mahama onset turn Mahama lady. Oh, Bawumia my son, oh baby.
If you know the internal prime super Papa catch yes. If they don't know and if they bring Bawumia, John Mahama will beat him hands down. He said it.
Yeah.
Or say John Mahama is going to beat Mahamadu Bawumia hands down because everything is me. After 2 months to the election, Shabu, I met a big man in the New Patriotic Party. Big man. Shabu, over influence you. But cut himself, Franco. Prepare for your exit plan. And I'm saying, he's talking. Yeah. No, say every post is favoring Ref and John Mahama. And Mama will beat Bawumia emphatically. He is a big man in the New Patriotic Party. He told me. When one office, he told me. So Shami, he's telling me, the pain will be massive with the NPP. I'm saying, are you sure what you're saying? Franco, I'm telling you what I know. They can't win the elections. Now, Sabula Sisi, Franco, I did because for NPP party it is an illegality. Now, Sadana Air Cosono, it is better we tell them the truth. Now, the New Patriotic Party, Mahamadu Bawumia is not their leader.
Okay, me has a video that Emra.
Blame game, no, a bit destroy. Let's come together. Because ye name say if we are and a power no mouth, and to just say the ebenya so that by 28 no we are united. Once we are united no with a goal, you are going to win in 2028. Unity no here. Stop the blame games. Let's look at the future. Nyame share there. But let's come together. If we come together, the party will win. At this stage, we're looking to build the party again. It's not about individual ambition, but let's build the party. Once the party is ready, we'll go for the main event.
I could see some man for and they want to give me a certain kind of hope and tell him, say, they feel and think that Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia should come back in 2028 elections. Now, Mahamadu Bawumia statement now all making was say, or catch them, or in two folds. One was saying, Kofu trouble minimum. I will come there. They are tossing me, say, or the leader of the party. It is never ever true. Mahamadu Bawumia is never the leader of the NPP today. Announce him.
Are you kidding?
Kidding like what? Then Mahamadu Bawumia doesn't know the constitution of the NPP. Maybe because they gave him a waiver, and it was earlier that they brought him into the party, and they wanted the constitution of the NPP. I say, I'm telling you.
So he's not the leader of the party.
He's not the leader of the NPP. Currently, he's not the leader of the party. And I mean,
why is he holding himself as the leader of the party?
I mean, I don't understand the executives. Mahamadu Bawumia is not the leader of the NPP. Now the leader of the NPP now is Stephen Tim.
But that means you didn't rule a party, you're smoking the party for Ecuador. Or man, the constitution of an Ankaya.
May say, any more man Kasasewa. I listen to Mahamadu Bawumia say, or no more the leader of the party.
It is never the leader of the party.
It is lead that. It is never ever true. Never ever true. Go and read the constitution of the New Patriotic Party. Any time the party is in opposition, or more opposition, the leader of the party is the party chairman.
Okay.
Likewise, the NDC so. So NDC when the NTR of a swamp for and I said
okay.
John Mama still wanted to say so he was the leader of the party. What's the heavy? Our constitution. You can be more popular in the party, but you're not the leader of the party.
The chairman is the leader.
The chairman is the leader. Another new can say, who is the presidential candidate of the NPP?
We don't have a president.
Thank you. We don't have.
We have a former presidential candidate.
We have a former. I'm not saying you say try to explain myself. Say, who is the presidential candidate of the NPP?
We don't have a president.
We don't have. So if you don't have, you have to revert it back to the original owners. Original owners, chairman, the national chairman, and then the leader of the New Patriotic Party. And people should tell him, Mura, you are not the leader of the party. And not the leading party.
You are not speaking in any capacity.
You are speaking the capacity as a former presidential candidate of the NPP who went for just election and lost the election. And we came to sympathize with social solidarity. It ends there. And your mama catches the leader of the party. It is never ever true. After the elections, one by Yaluso emphatically, he is no more the leader of the NPP. The leader of the NPP is Stephen Ayensu in team as we speak today. He is the leader of the party. Now, we make a and so Commissioner Koya Sadia, we are combating Yaba. And Commissioner, where Opama, presidential aspirants from Kobino, and now want to make us Nipan is also doing campaign for his own self. And one young course, campaign warrior. Now, me catch or say, a man for saying I create the Simon Temple, me catch him says, Asa, can I soon take Mahamadu Bawumia? Mahamadu Bawumia will be contesting for the 2028 elections.
Yeah, that's possible in 2028.
Thank you. And I want to ask, Kennedy Agyapong upon one declared intention of Oko. So a declared intention is also supposed to do campaign today. Because Mahamadu Bawumia declared yes. She said, Kennedy so started so your campaign. And send some other people started some your campaign. Shabu, MPP for your catching in the four party. These are people, a lot of lawyers. Why are they missed? Why are they quiet? We have intellectuals and elites in it. People who are well educated, who understand the constitution of the New Patriotic Party. Why are they quiet?
The former general secretary, the former chairman, the leaders of the past. So, and I said,
Council of Elders, Nippon position of it is an illegality. And you're not quit that exist. Anyhow, because you're too about it. NTSA, we are going to take someone to be the presidential candidate of the 2024 general elections. You are 2028 general elections.
And that's after
4. Yeah, about it. So finito, the Electoral Commission has closed it. And you must say, and I'm out for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia as the leader of the party. Mahamadu Bawumia is not the leader of the party. The leader of the party, no, is sitting a Yesu team. They are tossing you. What say? Why is the MPP trying to create a certain kind of impression? Say, I won't call for
Mahama win elections.
No, I don't get it.
You go for Mahama didn't win the election.
Me say, why is the NPP doing as if say, as a your mama one when you why
in 2016? Nana do so I win the ND for Nanko to Abba. I say we don't want to credit by you as a credit.
Do you get the problem? Do you get a problem? One. Okay, let's even take the Bawumia can say it is true. Has he asked questions in India for Frank Kotwaba?
Also, almost science and data. There be a science and data.
And as science and data, no push a man go you man free some Kotwaba. If you're able to have your science and data to show us I will assist the NPP Kotwaba, or say Mahamadu Bawumia for Kotwaba, and you sit down and you lose emphatically.
So it was science, according to science and data. You knew more man go trouble. Yeah, call for close to or say Mahama, the Onyana 2016, 2020. It be a man a little of 100,000 a little.
Sometimes these politicians always play with us. What do you say? You have a trouble now, and nada, you have a trouble. We start from zero.
Yeah.
I know him.
Yeah. We'll be the figures of order.
See, the 2020 elections was meant for 2020 elections. To the American, Yana told the Senate for the council when you go to say, some of them will be yari, be them. It won't be called trouble many people. Now, if you are starting, say, 2028 elections,
they started from
Obianiaba. So, if over a friend joined the money, Mama has 600,000 in 2020
or 6 million.
Ashanti in 2020. Then Obenya become one. Meaning is that he was able to shield his own people.
Yeah.
He was able to guard them.
And you will be a minimum. Before elections, when you will be president,
thank you.
When you nipa be top MDs for no movement, Afenyo Markins.
And you know, Excel say the NDC did a lot of work. The NPP should ask themselves, why is this only 6 million in 2020? Then you drop to 4 million. 2024. They should go behind the behavior, the rationale, the kind of things that actually happen. Push a man for someone conquer Twaba, and that's a 4 million.
Okay.
If you look at Akufo Addo, there be a catch or say a free second term.
You waiting for winning and someone about better yepono so because say when you subscribe ya Bomodia say over subscribe to channel sansa had the latest and hot news in kwa and I made bro I feel we are now like video like the video and I share my offer for so now when you be here now who the ekoso ewo Ghana memoir also bet me otchere wadwen afa a year and some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mo beti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.